By Cloud Ice Silk Body Shorts Review. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and somehow or someday you may have heard about this product that is a silk shorts for you that will customize or that will easily reduce your waist or make you in shape. These shorts cater to a wide range of body types. The shorts are marketed to additional health benefits such as accelerating metabolism and reducing the physical fatigue. What is the pricing? As you can see, the pricing is for a single pair, it is about $50. The one pair is about uh, $20, and the original price is mentioned as $80 about. This is about 5,000 INR in Indian currency. So that is quite expensive, but let me show you all the things, then we will evaluate the price. Is it is worthy or is it a scam for you? Now scroll down to this website, as I'm going to show you the website review here. The BiCloud Silk Fiber Repair the shopping shorts work through a combination of advanced materials and design features improving the body shape, providing comfort. Here is how they work. Firstly, Ice Silk Iron Fiber Technology. The shorts are made from the ice silk fabric, which is smooth, soft, and cool to touch. The materials helps to keep the wearer comfortable. Second thing is tummy control and butt fit. The high-waisted designs of the short provide firm control around midsection, helping flatten the tummy and hold in the stomach. They will also improve the curves of your body. Like seamless design, the seamless construction of the short remain invisible under clothing. This makes them ideal for wearing under tight-fitting garments, such as they provide smooth and polished look, comfort, and breathability. The shorts are designed to be comfortable all day wear, and they are breathable fabric that will overcome the overheating in your clothes. Now, see about review complaints and consumer reviews. So, as you can see that they have mixed reviews with several negative feedback. A common complaint is that short do not deliver on the promises of fat reduction and body shaping. So, as you can see, the size guide for the product is way out much smaller than they should be. Now I'll show you the pros and cons of this and tell you the conclusion that is it worth for you. The pros, you can see comfortable material, tummy control but fit, invisible clothing, and many more pros and cons are listed here. But the conclusion is, if you purchase it in the perspective of fashion or just to wear it, it's good for you, and it's not for health, or the price is also not worthy. So I'll suggest you to go through a normal cloth market and buy it in the reasonable price for you. Thank you so much for watching it.